welcome to the TGV fast train. So this is a train that we kind of put quite a lot of stuff on our Facebook page about. It's the express train from Marne, Valle and Chessy. Marne, Valle, Chessy, should we say, from Disneyland. So it goes from right where the RER station is. You just go downstairs to as low as you can get, and you just get straight on it. It's really fast. It's about 11 minutes. There's not really much more to say about it. There's 2 levels usually, upper and lower. And there is first and second class. There's an offer on at the moment and it's about €1 difference to get first class. It takes about 11 minutes, cost us €19 for me and half for Archie, so it's less than €30 for both of us, and it takes 11 minutes. It's super fast, super easy. So yeah, we'll see you there. It took 10 minutes. It was really quick. Well, 11 minutes to be exact. It was really quick. Literally got on. By the time we got sat down, we were probably sat down 5 minutes, and then everyone started to get up again anyway. So yeah, it's really easy. So you catch it from the same place as the RER. At Marne, Valle, Chessy, it's going to be as low down as you can go. Nearly always platform 3, to be honest with you. Yeah, really easy, really simple. I will show you if I can. So there's plenty of facilities on there. There's a bar coach. You don't have time obviously, but there's a bar coach, just like the kind of London trains really. There's a bar coach, there's plenty of luggage storage. Looks like we're about to go. So we've now come in, this is Terminal 2. So you arrive at Terminal 2 and just go straight up the lifts and you're just in departures. It's literally, there's little Winnie. He's literally, as soon as you come in the airport, he couldn't be handier. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching our video. I hope this has helped you in your journey to the airport on the TGV fast train. Please remember to subscribe and like our Facebook page. Thank you.